Hi there, I'm still working on this Randall, it's a nightmare. I've taken it out of the chassis now, which is wrestled it out of the chassis, should I say. It weighs a ton. Now, I just thought I'd show you inside this because it's quite interesting. This is Chinese, made in China. It doesn't look terrible, but this is going to be the main transformer here. This is going to be the output transformer. Obviously there's 4 valves in it. At the moment I've got no VU meter light on there and no selection to channel 2, which is overdrive. The clean drive is working fine, the sound is fine, but it appears to me that there's some sort of something missing from there, because it's not there's no light there. I would think that there's no voltage feed going to that board there, so I've got to find out where that will be. Obviously this big board here where all the valves are, so I doubt really whether it's going to be anything on here really. There is a connector going onto the board, a long connector. I don't know where that comes from, so I'm going to have to look into it, and I'll hang on a sec. See this? This is disconnected for some reason. That's not good, is it? That's disconnected. I reckon that might be it. Oh, I hope it's it, because I tell you, I've been really working hard on this. Now this thing here is very tight. This is all got tie wraps on there, so it's possible that these have been straining. I'm not altogether a great fan of tie wraps in this situation, but I think that might be it possibly. So I'll let you know if it is. I've got to plug this in. I can't do this one-handed, but if it is, that'd be fantastic, because I've been pulling my hair out on this. I've taken the whole front panel off, all the pots off, everything, and checked the board. There's a lot of dry joints on there, as you would expect from a Chinese board, but I've resoldered everything on there and it wasn't that. So let's just bear with me a second. I'll cut this cable tie here, because this is really putting a strain on all of that. This is what's caused it. Here we go. Right, plug this in. Right, now that's in. Okay, so that's fully in now. Now the thing is, I've taken one valve out, but that shouldn't make any difference. So what I'll do, yeah, I'll tell you what, I'll put in the comments down below if that's what's caused it, because I've got to do a few things. But thanks for watching, and I hope you learnt something. This is the inside of a Randall NB King 100. No circuit diagrams available. I contacted Randall directly in the USA, obviously speaking English. Said I was a service centre in Brazil and I desperately need that. There's no service centres in Brazil at all, so you know, I got no reply, so not good. But there we go. Hopefully it's going to be that fault, which is reasonably simple. Thanks for watching.